Russian President Vladimir Putin held a telephone conversation with Israeli Prime Minister Nفتالی Bennett on Thursday to discuss the Ukrainian situation. The leaders paid special attention to humanitarian issues, including the evacuation of civilians held by militants of nationalist battalions from the Azovstal steel plant, the Kremlin said in a statement. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Thursday that he had separate conversations with British Prime Minister Boris Johnson and German President Frank-Walter Steinmeier. Zelensky tweeted that he discussed future joint international legal events and the issues of defensive support for Ukraine at talks with Johnson. Zelensky said he informed his German counterpart about the situation on the front line, in particular in Mariupol, and voiced the hope that Germany's support for Ukraine would be intensified.
Meanwhile, UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres called on Thursday to end the cycle of death and destruction in Ukraine.
The cycle of death, destruction, dislocation and disruption must stop, and that it must end for the sake of the people of Ukraine, Russia and the entire world. In my meeting with President Putin, I therefore stress the imperative enabling humanitarian access and evacuations from besieged areas, including first and foremost Mariupol. I strongly urge the opening of a safe and effective humanitarian corridor to allow civilians to reach safety from the Azovstal plant.